Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by for yet another video. I do appreciate that, and I appreciate you. So I'm over here at the Miami Herald, and I come across this article here. I talked about it the other day, this storm that could possibly turn into a tropical depression or a tropical storm, and it finally did happen today here. It says Tropical Storm Nate expected later today to hit Gulf Coast as a hurricane, so it's even going to get actually strengthened into a hurricane too, apparently. It says a tropical depression churning across the southern Caribbean could become a Tropical Storm Nate. Sorry, on track to hit the Gulf Coast and possibly Florida as a hurricane over the weekend. In their 8 p.m. Wednesday advisory, National Hurricane Center forecasters said that the storm is moving over the warm waters and encountering light wind shear that could follow quick intensification. It's possible sustained winds could reach up to 85 miles per hour in 3 days, making it a Category 1 storm as it approaches the Gulf Coast on Saturday. It says Wednesday evening forecasters upped their intensity forecast from earlier in the day, but said there's still a chance the storm could weaken as it crosses Central America and the Yucatan. See here, it says at 8 p.m. the depression was located 60 miles west of the San Andres Islands off the coast of Nicaragua, where it could dump up to 20 inches of rain and trigger dangerous mudslides and flash flooding, the National Hurricane Center forecaster said. Sustained winds could reach up to 35 miles per hour. The storm is expected to move across the northeastern Nicaragua early Thursday and eastern Honduras late Thursday, bringing heavy rain along much of the Central American coast. Now you can see here, sort of the projected path, if you will. But see, this little area here means it could go any which way within this area. So they really don't know. Like, this is just, they believe that at least up until this point here, 2 p.m. Saturday, they know where it's going to go. So for the most part, though, it's looking like it's going to turn into either Alabama or Georgia. So either way, this isn't good news, for anyone down there in the Gulf. And it goes on to say, forecasters said it remains too early to say where the storm will impact the Gulf Coast. The storm is being steered by a high-pressure ridge over the southwest Atlantic, but a low-pressure trough moving across the Florida Straits could force it to move more quickly towards the north-northwest by Friday and then to the Gulf of Mexico Saturday. How much land it crosses could also weaken it, complicating the tracking forecast. It goes on to say reliable U.S. and European models differ on the storm's future path by as much as 90 miles. So look at this forecast. Like, this is such a broad range right now. I mean, you got to throw in Louisiana, Florida, possibly. So, at least Texas is staying out of these forecasts. I mean, we don't need any more rain down there, or any more hurricanes hitting anywhere down there. But it looks like Texas, at least on these two forecasts, is going to at least avoid the brunt of it. But yeah, I think that's going to be about it. I just wanted to share that with you, and I'm going to keep you up to date on that too. I just come across it just a little bit ago, so I thought I'd share it with you. This is, it's not good news. It went from possibly being a tropical depression to turning into one, and now it's a tropical storm that's going to turn into a hurricane. I guess if you want to have any good news, it seems like at the most it's only going to be like a Category 1. You try to get, I don't know, like, it just, we just don't need to get hit, by another storm, especially anywhere on the Gulf Coast. But I appreciate you guys for watching these videos and supporting the channel. I hope you keep coming back, and I hope you have a blessed day. Peace.